Oh, hello, Papa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Jadisla Samuel if you're new here, and on this channel we do all things 4C hair. So today I'm going to be doing a style that I haven't done in a long time, and this is because like I just try to maintain the health of my edges in general, but I'm gonna do it today because it's been a while and I was like, I just feel inspired to try it again. So today we're going to be doing a high pony. Yes, a high pony, and so help me God it works out because my hair is not particularly stretched out right now, but I feel like I can still make it work. But anyways, let's get into this video. So I have my hair in like two little buns. I'm just gonna take those out just because, you know, we need to get started. Oh Lord, my hair feels very weird, and the thing is I moisturized it yesterday I think, but it is what it is. Oh, so this is what we're working with. I want to try and make this pony like actually like right where you saw it, but I don't think that's possible. But anyways, I'm gonna try anyways. So yeah, wish me luck. Damn. So I have my tools over here on my bed and like my gels. So I'm going to use this brush. It's a hard bristle brush, but honestly that's the only thing that works for my hair. My hair is like extremely coarse and like it doesn't respond to anything else, so I have to use the hard bristle brush. I have my spray bottle. Where's my spray bottle? I don't know where my spray bottle is. 1 second. It turns out it was right on the floor right beside me. But yeah, I have my spray bottle. Yeah, I have my spray bottle, and I have some Shine Jam, and I have Eco Styler gel. Yes, I still use Eco Styler gel because I had it stopped for a minute and it hasn't finished, so yeah. And I'm still going to repurchase it because it works for my hair mostly. And I have this pony. Looking at it now, it's sensational. Ponytail instant pony. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using today. It's pretty like old and pretty like matted up, but like I like the texture. Look at how it's like it has a texture to it. It looks like kinky straight almost, or like blown out natural hair, I guess. Yeah, let's begin. So I'm just gonna spray like the perimeters of my hair with water because they're going to be disturbed. And the reason I already have makeup on is because I was taking some pictures earlier, and yeah, shameless plug, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there. I post a lot on there during the week when I haven't posted on here. Just brushing my hair up and stuff. I need a little more water. Also, if you haven't seen my video about like must-have tools for 4C hair, you should go ahead and click the I button, because yeah, and I have a link to like a spray bottle that you can get that's just like this one. It's a misting spray and it works really well. So yeah, I'm just brushing my hair on the sides because that's where I'm mostly concerned about, like getting kind of sort of sleek. I'm just gonna use some leave-in conditioner. I'm not going to use a lot just because I don't want any flaking going on, but I'm just going to use my thirst quenching avocado moisturizer from Natural Club. I'm kind of sad because this is almost finished and I think it was discontinued, but we move still. So I'm just taking like about that much. I don't want to use too much, plus I want my hair to remain relatively stretched. So I feel like I shouldn't have gotten my nails done. I feel like my hair always gets caught in my nails when I get my nails done. I didn't get my nails done because I did them myself, but you know, yeah. Okay, now I'm just going to take some Eco Styler I don't even know how to pick this without getting it all like messy. Anyways, I'm gonna take this much at first. If I need more, I'll just add as I go. But for now, this should work. Whoa, I just brushed my forehead. Just taking some shine jam, and I'm going to use that like along the perimeter of my head, I guess. I don't really want it everywhere. I'm trying not to ruin my makeup too, because you know, I'm finna take some pictures. I'm finna take my thumbnail too. So you know, gotta keep the makeup fresh. I think I'm just going to use that on the front of my hair. I don't think the back of my hair needs that. Woo, it's hot in this place because I had to close my window because of audio quality and stuff. My neighbors be wilding sometimes. So I have my puff maker, which is just a, you know, what they call these things, tights, pantyhose, like a piece of that rolled up. And I'm just gonna make it puff. Well, not make it puff, I'm going to make it ponytail actually. And I'm going to go as tight as I can. It's kind of going to ease up later on, so I'm not really worried about it. And I'm gonna push from the back just because I don't want the front to like let up too much, because I want my ponytail quite high. Ooh. Jesus. I'm still pulling as tight as I can. Kind of let it go a little bit because I'm not trying to kill myself. Yeah, I think that's good for me. Okay, so the back of my hair is still under construction. Just going to brush it a little more. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a bun, then try using my puff maker again. I guess this pony is not gonna be as high as I wanted it because my back hair is embarrassing my if I brush my hair like as it is now, it's just going to mess everything up. So I'm just going to ignore it for now. So yeah, this is what the back is looking like so far. I think I'm quite okay with that. I think I'm just going to put some shine jam on there. Ignore what I said about not using shine jam on the back of my hair. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what the back looks like just because the pony is like long enough to cover it, so I don't really care for it much. I'm not really bothered by it. I think I'm just going to leave the thing there too. So I'm just going to take the pony, and it has a string, like an adjustable string for me to like pull it and adjust it. So yeah, but first, before we do that, actually, let me just take a scarf. I'm going to take a scarf and I'm going to like not lay down my edge. I'm not doing my edges. Y'all know that I don't be doing my edges, but I'm just going to like help everything marinate for a little bit, and then I'll come back and put the pony. Okay, I'm back. I let it sit for like a few minutes and I think I'm alright with how it looks, honestly. I have a bump right here. The perfectionist in me wants to like just remove everything, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not finna do that, okay? So I'm just gonna take my puff. I forgot which one. I guess the part with the tag is supposed to be facing the back. So I'm just gonna envelope my bun with this. And it has two hooks, so I'm just gonna take the front hook and I'll hook it as close to the bun as I can. My hair is thick though. Kind of felt that going a little bit, so wow. It said I did not. It said you lied. You lied. You did not enter. Go wale. Okay, let me try again. You know what? At the end of the day, I might just secure this with like, whatchamacallit, bobby pins, cause this is the ghetto. I think the comb is like, has been stretched out overuse. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna pull it and like, I'll use bobby pins and stuff to secure it in. Whew. And I'm also going to use the string to like secure it in a way before I use the hair to secure it. I combed it beforehand. You should probably comb it beforehand so you are able to like, you know, twine it around. Alright, I'm gonna grab a bobby pin and like stick it in there. I don't know if I'm going to use another one, but I'll use that one for now. Taking a piece of hair so I can cover this like this string and stuff. Yeah, I need more hair. I need more hair. So I'm gonna do it again. Me taking hair from it has like negated all of the brushing that I did before, but God help me. Yes. Oh, you can come in.
Oh. Hi guys, so today I'm doing a simple slick back ponytail, a natural ponytail.
Simple? I mean, yeah, kind of. It feels kind of poofy though. Okay, so I'm done securing the pony and I know I said I wasn't going to gel my edges, but I want to try. I'm not going for anything completely like sleek because that ain't my, you know, that ain't my jurisdiction. That ain't my lifestyle, but you know. Friendly tip, do this when you're about to wash your hair. Like, you know, soon, because this is a lot of products. I'm gonna try and do baby hairs, so help me God. Like, I never do this, so this is so new to me. Yeah, you know what? I was about to give up even before trying properly. These ain't baby hairs, these are well, you know what, let's just do something shallow. Let's just do something shallow. Oh, man, I cannot. My hair was not made to be baby. My hair was made to be treated like a grown adult from her birth. She was an adult from birth. She ain't got time for rubbish. She's a grown woman. She is Miss Independent. She can take care of herself. She ain't no baby. She an adult. She an adult, bruv. Okay, kind of like that. Although it still looks really shiny right now. I'm really trying to take off my makeup. Maybe next time if I try this again, I won't have makeup on first. See, it's just the life of a content creator. You know, have to fit multiple things in one day. And sometimes you already have makeup on your face. So, yeah. Yo, my hair. I said it that she's not a baby. She's really not, like, she's not in the mood. She doesn't want to do anything for me today. I'm literally laughing at myself right now, but alright, that's it from me. I'm not trying to do this anymore. I'm tired and I feel like I'm just making my edges shiny. Like, I genuinely feel like my edges are just shining right now rather than being sleeked down, but I'm okay with it. I don't know, I don't think this pony can be higher than where it is right now, to be honest. So I think I should just be alright with it and run with it because you know, it is what it is. I should probably tie it down, but like I just don't even want. I just doing my edges. This is why I don't do my edges, because I'm just like, it's just a waste of my time. We need to sleek it down and then another thing will just come up again. Please, I'm done. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is as realistic as it gets for me. My hair is thick, coarse, everything. I said coarse, whatever, everything. So I really just didn't want to. I don't see the point in like trying to over like sleek my hair and over manipulate it to be something that it technically is not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this realistic high pony situation that is going on here. If you like this video, if you like my face, if you like anything about this channel, please subscribe, comment down below, share this video with your friends, with your family, and I will see you on the next video by the G of G, and I'm out. Bye.